Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can write your own posts on your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the dashboard of my WordPress site, and what you need to do to write posts is to access the posts menu from the left. As you can see, it's right over here. This is the WordPress Classic layout, so it'll be right over here if you're using the same layout. If not, it should also be somewhere in this left sidebar, so you'll be able to locate it pretty easily. The pin tag is the icon for the posts menu, so just locate that, and then you can just directly click add new post, or you can go to all posts if you want to view them and edit them. Now I'll just click on add new post, and once you do, you'll be brought into the editor where you'll be able to edit your post. Now here you'll need to add a title, which I'm just going to name title. You can then choose to write text. You can add other blocks such as images. So for example, image. You can also add a navigation menu if you so choose. For example, navigation. You can add the nav menu. You can also add any other embeds if you want. For example, YouTube embed. You can add that if you want to as well. And that's pretty much how you write your post. Then just go into the settings, and you can edit any other settings here. You can change the author, you can change the slug, you can publish it immediately if you want. You can set the status to draft, pending, private, scheduled, published, whatever you want. You can also password protect it, and once you're done making all the changes, just click on publish in the top right, then click publish again, and your post will be published to your WordPress site. And after you do that, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.